आई थिंक मेरे साथ आई हैव everyone to thank because when you don't especially आदित्य चोपड़ा because जब मैं एक्ट्रेस नहीं मुझे नहीं पता था मैं एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती हूँ या नहीं और उन्होंने मुझे जब इस फिल्म में लिया मैंने फिल्म करी मैंने एक्टिंग करना सीखा समझा आई रियलाइज्ड एक चीज़ जो मैं खुद नहीं जानती थी अपने बारे में वो उन्होंने मुझे दिखाई यू नो और उन्होंने मेरी लाइफ को एक नया मीनिंग दिया टुडे माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ मी यू नो आई डेंट थिंक मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचूंगी and it's all because of him. So throughout my life, I think it'll be Aditya Chopra always who I'll be most grateful to for all my life because nobody thought that I should have been in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, you know. And he was the only one who stuck by it. He was the only one who said, "Nahi, I think she is the right choice for the movie." Apart from that, even in Band Baja Barat, you know, he could have just picked up the script and given it to any actor. कोई भी दो एक्टर्स बड़े एक्टर्स वो फिल्म करने के लिए तैयार होते क्योंकि वो फिल्म ऐसी थी दैट वाज यू नो हाउ द स्क्रिप्ट वाज लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे ये दिया सो आई थिंक द फेथ दैट ही ऑलवेज कीप्स एंड हैज़ इन मी सो आई वुड से आदित्य चोपड़ा आई ऑलवेज बी इटर्नली ग्रेटफुल टू हिम फर्स्ट थिंग इज क्वर्की हैबिट्स में आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स क्वर्की बट मैं सडनली कॉन्वर्सेशन से जोन आउट हो सकती हूँ तो कोई मुझसे बात कर रहा है एंड सडनली मैं कुछ और सोचने लग जाऊंगी मुझे एक्चुअली टाइम मैनेजमेंट का थोड़ा सा पागलपन टाइप का है मैं टाइम को लिटरली 8:15 टू 8:25 इतनी कैलकुलेशन में मैं टाइम मैनेजमेंट में इन्वॉल्व होती हूँ सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन समवनस टॉकिंग टू मी आई एम एक्चुअली प्लानिंग माई नेक्स्ट डे का टाइम टेबल सो आई थिंक दैट्स वन थिंग दैट आई वुड से इज अ बिट ऑड एंड समटाइम्स पीपल कैन मेक आउट दैट आई हैव जोन्ड आउट वो समझ जाते कि मैं उनको देख रही हूँ बट मैं वहाँ पे उस कॉन्वर्जेशन में हूँ नहीं. And then they ask me, they're like, you've zoned out, huh? I'm like, huh? Kya? You know, यहाँ पे a lot of people give you advice. You don't know whether it's good advice or bad advice, but everybody gives you advice and everyone tells you, you know, कि ऐसे अपना career बिताना चाहिए, वैसे बिताना चाहिए. But the only thing I have learned is that there is no formula. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है किसी का career जैसे चला है वैसे उसको follow करने की. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया है. I've never tried to be like anybody. मैंने ये भी कभी करने की कोशिश नहीं करी है. The only thing that I've realized is यहाँ पे if you're honest and you are honest and you respect people that you work with and you respect your work. And when I say you respect your work, I mean that you know there is एक जैसे बोलते हैं एक थोड़ा सा dignity होती है आपके काम में. I think these are the things that actually take you forward because every field is competitive. You know, हमारी फील्ड बहुत competitive है, but there is a way in which this competition can be, you know, can take you forward. And I would say the only way that it can take you forward is do your own work hard, and have respect for everybody else's work also. And you don't always have to follow anything that someone else is doing and is working for them. That's one thing that I have learned. And मैंने गांठ actually बांध दी है उस बात को लेके कि I will never do anything that I don't think is right. In fact, मुझसे कोई करा भी नहीं सकता. If you tell me to do something which I'm not convinced about, I will not do it. And it's not because it doesn't come from any arrogance or anything. It is just because I simply don't understand what it is. So I can only do what I understand. And that is one thing that I would say is the biggest learning that I've had. I'm still learning. But this is one thing, you know, dignity also in the way that you carry yourself and you carry your work. The biggest people that I've met in this industry who've got the maximum success and who have inspired me, they're all people who have dignity, you know, in their craft is what I mean. Like Mr. Bachchan, you know, Shah Rukh. And I think that's very important. And dignity means, you know, sabka kaam appreciate karna. Having respect for your craft means being able to appreciate performances, being able to appreciate cinema, and competition alag hai wo side that's separate. That is and you know, following this race and this number games and all that can screw your brain up completely because you can never say who's number one, who's number two, and it's very fickle thing, you know. So just quoting from Three Idiots, you know, follow like excellence and not you know, in this case number race. तो एक इंसिडेंट रब ने बना दी जोड़ी के समय पे हुआ था जब मैंने शाहरुख को बोला कि यू नो मेरा आज तक कोई फेवरेट एक्टर नहीं रहा है and I've never had any favorite actor. It's always been like performances that I've appreciated. Like, you know, if I've seen someone's performance, I've liked it. That's a fact. Like, I've never had any favorite actor or actress. मुझे हमेशा performances अच्छी लगी थी. तभी maybe I don't understand. तभी मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है ये number 1, number 2 and all that. Maybe that's why I don't understand, because like when I saw Lagan, I thought Amir Khan was superb. When I saw Swades, I thought Shah Rukh was superb. I thought Shah Rukh was superb in Pardesh. So मुझे हमेशा performances अच्छी लगी थी. तो I was telling him that, and I think somewhere maybe he thought that I meant that, you know, he's not my favorite actor or something. So he used to always tease me about it like all the time. But recently जब हम जब तक है जहाँ का promotion कर रहे थे, he in an interview he had said that, you know, she said this to me so honestly, which you know, which is something which is how he felt he was when he entered the industry. You know, he was not a fan of anybody. He wasn't starstruck by anyone. He was doing a job, and he respected people, and he gave that respect to people, but he wasn't scared or intimidated. I think अगर मैं शाहरुख की बहुत बड़ी मतलब after Rabne I became a huge fan of his, but before that, if I was like a crazy fan of Shah Rukh Khan, I would not have been able to survive on that set for 3 days also, you know, because I would have just been like in awe of him. So I think the fact that I just went and took it as a job is something that he today, you know, talks to me about and he appreciates, and I think that's his bigness and his, you know, his security as an actor.